Hey there, this is Cyril Jeet, your best friend in business, and today I want to show you the latest and the greatest version of Tuberank Jeet, the best YouTube optimization software in the market, helping YouTubers get to number one since 2013. Tuberank Jeet is used by over 20,000 YouTubers to rank videos online and get perfect optimization for their YouTube videos. This is the Tuberank Jeet sidebar. It gives you access to every Tuberank Jeet feature that we have, and you can see there is a lot. This is the optimization area. You put in your optimized data over here, your titles, description, the keywords, hashtags that you're going to use in your YouTube video. Now the optimized area can be tucked in very easily. It can actually be seen on every screen. It's aligned to the side, and you can do the analysis for the video that you're targeting. It will be here. You can carry over all the data that you want, and whenever you want you can just hide it for more space. The next option is discover. This is where you go to analyze your niche. You can get started by typing in a keyword, and if you want to use exact match where the entire keyword is considered as a unit, you can click on this or you can leave it alone. And you can also decide how many videos you want to fetch and analyze. So 5 is a pretty decent number. You will get a good idea of the niche that way. But if you want to analyze the top 10, you can do that too. Click on the number of videos and then click on go. And you will see a list of all the videos ranking for this keyword. And this is a very powerful console. It has a lot of options to get the perfect ranking. You can sort the videos the way you like. So if you want to sort them according to comments, you can do so, and you can even filter them. So if you want to filter and sort, it combines both two. Like I will sort on comments and I will filter by views for videos that have at least 10,000 views, and I can click go and I will get the videos sorted according to comments that have at least 10,000. You can change this anytime you want. You can change this and set to anything you want. So let's say you wanted videos that have at least 10,000 likes. You can do that too, and these are the videos that have at least 10,000 likes. Then you've got the average statistics over here which tell you how hot this topic is. You can see the average number of likes across these videos. So I'm just gonna remove the filtration. Alright, so you can see the average number of likes that are across all these videos. You can see the average number of comments on the video. You can see the views, the ratio to likes and dislikes, the ratios to like and comments, and you can also see the ratio to views and likes. So this is going to tell you how hot the niche is, and there is also a quick analysis of the sentiment. So there seems to be an average amount of interest. You know that this topic is something that has basic amount of interest. And then you also have a ranking difficulty bar which tells you how easy or hard it is to be ranking for this keyword based on the number of videos you selected. So if you have 5 videos selected, for example, it will tell you how easy it is to be ranking for the first rank and also for the 5th rank. So sometimes you will find keywords that are harder to rank for the first rank but are good enough to rank for the 10th or the 5th rank, whatever you've selected. Now all of Tuberank Jeet is AI enabled. So for example, if you were trying to rank for coffee recipes, you can quickly get your content optimized very fast. So if I like this topic, for example, if I like this headline, I can click on the AI button and I can get all the alternatives. Here are the alternative titles for this headline. You can choose the one you want and carry on. If you want to view the keywords for this particular video, you can click on view keywords, and the keywords that are being targeted by this video will be displayed. You can choose the hashtags or the keywords that you want to target. You can click on them and they are quickly taken to the optimized section. So the hashtags actually go into the description, so that's done automatically, and the tags, the keywords, go into the tag section, and that is also done. That's not all. You can right click on any keyword and you can copy it to clipboard, or you can get tags that are similar to this using AI. So you can search for this keyword using AI and find similar tags, or you can search for this keyword and find similar tags from YouTube, and you can also add it to a group. So this is a feature that people wanted. People wanted to save the tags that they are using frequently into groups, and we have built that. We've got favorite tags, favorite hashtags, and favorite videos alongside favorite channels. So you can create a group, just give it a group name like coffee tags, click on add, and now you can add your keywords in here. So let's do another quick search, coffee recipes 10 this time and click on go. And you can view keywords. Here are the keywords for this. Click on this and you can add it to a group. Let's add it to coffee tags. And now when you go into favorite tags, you will find that tag added. So you can build up collections of your most used tags. Then we also have two more AI buttons. This button is to give you alternative description. So if you like any particular descriptions for any video, you can click on this and you will get a new description using AI. Here you are, here is the new description. You can copy it and take it to the description window. It's already pre-written, you don't have to work at all. Then you can also use this next button to get keywords from AI. So when you click on it, it'll get the latest keywords. You'll get the keywords targeted by this particular description. So you can use these keywords in your video, and these are keywords that people may not even know about. So you can target them and you will get rankings that are better than targeting keywords just already targeted by videos. Next we have analyze, and on this screen in analyze you can put in a URL of any YouTube video, click on go, and you will get all the relevant information about that video. So if you want to target a particular YouTube video, just put in the URL and you will get all the details. And again, you can do analysis like get a description alternative or get keywords based on the description. And you can also view the keywords and the hashtags targeted by this video. And of course, you can find similar tags using AI, or you can search for this tag. So this is a perfect way to analyze your niche and to outrank your competition using their own intelligence. And then we have the tag finder, which can find related tags to anything that you put in. So I put in a tag here and I can decide how many videos I want to analyze. Click on go, and Tuberank Jeet will fetch all the tags that are targeted by the top videos in a list over here. You can select any tag you want, you can target it yourself, click on it and it's deposited in the optimized section. And if you right click, you can see options like copy the tag to clipboard. You can find similar tags from AI. You can search for this particular tag and find tags that are related to this tag, or you can add it to a group. All of these features are available to you on every single interface. Now again, tag finder is also AI enabled. So there is a AI button over here, get alternative tags from AI. And when you click on it, you will get tags using AI. So here are the AI tags. They are added right above them, and you can again do all of the things as usual. Right click and even find more AI tags, or just add them to your optimization. Next we have the hashtag finder, and just like the tag finder, you can select the number of videos you want to analyze. You can type in a hashtag and then click on go, and you will get all the hashtags that are related to this one. You can find hashtags from AI too. For example, I can add to this, just click on this button over here and you will get hashtags from AI. Here are the AI hashtags. Right click and you can find even more, or click on them and take it to the description. Then you also have the favorite section. We have collections of favorite tags, favorite hashtags, favorite videos and favorite channels. So you can collect all of your favorite hashtags in groups. Let's say you had multiple niches, the coffee niche, and you also want to, let's say, target the beauty niche. So you can create a new group called beauty and you can put all the hashtags and tags related to beauty in favorite tags and favorite hashtags. You can also keep a collection of favorite videos. Let's add a group, click on add, and then when you click on it, you can add a particular video. And now you can see a collection of all the videos you have. Right now we only have one, but if you have multiple, you can search for videos. Again, you can change titles, you can find alternative titles to the videos you've collected. You can find keywords and descriptions from AI, and you can see the keywords that are targeted by the video itself. And this is a great way to create a reference of videos in your niche that you want to target and follow up with later. And in favorite channels, you can keep a group of the channels that you want to follow for your niche. You can see all the details, including the channel videos too. And again, all the facilities are available. You can see channel descriptions, details, you can find alternative titles, keywords and everything. And finally, let's come back to optimize. This is the section where you go to find the analysis to rank. So if I want to target, let's say, the keyword Tuberank Jeet, I can click on analyze it to see the recommendations that I need to do. So right now my optimization is quite empty. I need to add a title, description, tags, etc. And again, you can get all of these details from Tuberank Jeet itself. So let's get some title and descriptions. and get this going. Here we are, we've got a list of videos that are ranking for this keyword. So let's just go with the common intelligence. Let's view the keywords of the videos that are already targeting this, and let's collect their tags. And let's get some tags using AI. Here we go. Let's get some tags from AI2. Fantastic. And let's also target the description. So let's go back to Discover and make it easy for ourselves. Let's just rewrite this description and make a new one for us. So we'll click on Get Description Alternatives. Here we have a completely original description based on this one, and you can just use it directly if you want. Paste it here, and we are ready to go. And let's find a title too. So what about this one? Let's just find an alternative using this title as a base. Again, using AI, I got a bunch of different titles. I can use the title I want, and of course I can rewrite it. I can find more alternatives for it from the optimization screen itself. But whenever I'm ready, I can just click on Analyze it again, and I will get a new optimization score based on what I need to do. So it will tell me specifically the actions that I need to take. For example, I need to make the description a little longer, add a link to it. I need to put more stuff in the title, and I need to call the viewer to subscribe. All of these things, it will give me the exact strategy that I need to rank and to grow my channel. And if I follow this strategy, I will be able to create a perfectly optimized video. So let's just do that very quickly. Up to 82%. Let's add some more tags as recommended. And we are up to 90%, and it gives you some more recommendations that you need to do on YouTube. I can actually improve the title a little bit more, but I'm going to keep it at this. You have to add a good thumbnail and then add a video to the playlist too. It took me literally minutes, and I didn't have to really type out anything at all. I didn't have to rack my brains, and I was able to do good optimization in less than 2 minutes. That's what you can do with Tuberank Jeet. After adding your YouTube account, you can upload the video directly from Tuberank Jeet, or you can just copy these settings, title, description and tags into your YouTube and get the perfectly optimized video done in minutes. Guys, Tuberank Jeet is the most powerful YouTube optimization software out there, and it helps you rank to #1 with the minimum amount of effort that you can do. So make sure you get it and make your YouTube success easier.